Hi friends.
Hi, sir.
I'm Eugene,
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
training associate from ZIET Mumbai.
Welcome, sir.
Let me say something about phonics. Can you read this word?
Yes, sir.
Goti, sir.
Can you read this?
Sir,
Goti.
Goti. Goti. George Bernard Shaw read it as fish. Can you believe? Look at this. Laugh. O in women. E sound. And sh. Nation. It makes fish. In English, we don't read the way we write. This is a problem even for native speakers. Children from UK and US also find it difficult to read English. There are many reasons for this problem. In English, we have 26 letters but 44 sounds. There are some more problems. There is a unique spelling and sound pattern. Several letters, one sound. For example, the word shoe, 4 letters, 2 sounds. Sh, oo. 1 letter, several sounds. For example, 6. There are 3 letters but 4 sounds by s, e, k, s. Same sound has several spellings. For example, the sound s in snake, glass, palace, house, city, scissors, and castle. Phonics finds a solution for all these problems. Let's see. Phonics teaches the letter-sound relationship, name of the letter and sound of the letter are differentiated. Here we are switching over from name of the letter to sound of the letter. When we sound the letter properly, we are able to read in the right way. Teacher sounds the letter the way we read a word. And they don't tell the name of the letter as a traditional way of teaching reading. As I said, we don't read the way we write. Phonics invented a method to solve this problem. One among those is alternative spellings. Have a look at this. The sound p, p in pan and puppet. These 2 spellings are alternative spellings for the sound p. Similar way, in net, bonnet, knot, no, engine. There are 5 different types of spellings. The alternative spelling. These spellings are possible. All these types of spellings are possible for this one sound. This helps the child to register the idea. For one sound, there are different spellings. This is the phonics solution. Whom should we teach phonics?
Class 1 and 2.
Is it meant for higher classes?
No, sir, only up to 2.
Phonics is meant for students up to class 2. By the end of class 2, children will be able to read any unknown passage without any mistake. That is the beauty of this methodology, the methodology of teaching reading. Let us begin our phonics class. We have introduced some activities to teach phonics, and that is being recorded, and we are presenting it for our teachers to view. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.